Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is not the first introduction to my channel, but probably the third or fourth. But it hit me that since it's a new year, it's a really good day to do a new introduction, just to let you know what's going on and what you might expect to see on this channel of mine. So the main focus on my YouTube channel is real estate. I am a real estate investor, and me and my wife own properties in Florida and in Sweden. I've written a book that you can buy on Amazon. It's called Investing for Freedom, Building Wealth One House at a Time. There'll be a link in the description. I also have several documents and stuff on my homepage, www.larsdyrendal.com. There's also a blog where you can read more, and a newsletter if you want to stay updated. The homepage is also linked below. And for this year, what we're estimating doing, and what I think will be happening, is number one is these things. These are our glamping pods, and I have a Lithuanian producer, and we source pine in Northern Europe, and then assemble these glamping pods or tiny houses. And this one here is built in Plant City, Florida, and it's a key turn tiny house that we have kept here for Airbnb rentals, but we are now probably going to sell this one. So that's why I'm here today, and the next video you see will be a walk around this property. Then we're building another one of these that we have stored over here on a trailer I bought the other day. So we want to put it on wheels and see how popular that would be as an option to one built on a slab or a stone foundation like this one. And then we are buying, most likely now early this year, another multi-family house in Sweden, together with a partner of mine, Hannes. And speaking of this partner of mine, Hannes, you've probably seen him in some of these videos I've done before. He and I run this company, or have a brand together, called Whoseidiol, where we deliver key turn attefallshus to Sweden. That's smaller houses. We're now also building smaller houses, real houses, up to 100 square meters or more. Also key turn and deliver in either one unit or a few separate units that we connect on site. So a very convenient way to build. So be sure to check out www.whoseidiol.se. There's a link for that as well in the description. So building up this glamping pod business, buying more rentals, and building up Whoseidiol, and our part there is owned by Lara Hus, which is me and my wife's company in Sweden, that also provides these glamping pods for the Swedish market. The first two glamping pods for the Swedish markets will be delivered this month, I hope, actually, in January, and they'll be available for any one of you to rent and stay in, as they'll be installed on a campsite outside of Jönköping in Sweden. So that's what's going on right now this year. We also have some bigger goals that we'll keep pursuing throughout the year. The main one being to get hold of land, or a farm of our own, or land that we partially want to farm and partially want to divide or subdivide into lots, buildable lots, that we can then build some of our own houses on, now that we have all the infrastructure and all the production and all that stuff lined up. So as we're hoping a next step in our career will be to start building houses. And besides that, who knows what happens? Life is a never-ending journey, and I'm really happy that you guys that are following this channel have done so for a while, and I'm hoping many more will come in and see what we're doing. But that's what we think will be happening this year, and you'll most likely be able to follow along with the projects we move forward with. The next video after the one you're watching right now will actually be one about these glamping pods, as I'm doing a walk around here to show all the features, and I want that video to be available for people that are looking at the ad for this house, so they can see if it's something that works for them. And with that, thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and I hope you'll click subscribe, like, share all the content, and all the support is really appreciated. So thank you, and we'll talk soon.